Jim, he whispered, take that and be ready for trouble. He handed me the musket. Now, these wordings are said by Silver to Jim. Whispered means he said slowly that be ready for the trouble. And he gave a rifle like gun. Musket is a gun to Jim. At last, Mary said, mates, there are two of them alone there. One is the old cripple with crutch. This he is talking about Silver. It was his idea. He told that the idea is of Silver. He had brought us here. The other is only a boy. I want him. And he told the other one is the Jim. Now friends, he said that what to do you tell. He raised his arm to shoot. Just then, crack, 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 3 gunshots came from behind. As Silver raised his arm to shoot, the noise of gunshot came from behind. And what happened? Mary fell. The pirate with a bandage fell on his side, and one pirate also fell side. The other 3 buccaneers turned and ran as fast as they could, and the 3 pirates ran from there. At the same moment, Dr. Livesey, Gray, and Ben Gunn joined us coming from the wood. These 3 persons came and joined to Jim and Silver coming from the wood. Wood is jungle. Forward, cried the doctor. Doctor said to move fast. Double quick, my lad. We must stop them from getting back to their boats. He's talking about pirates that we should stop them. But we did not have to hurry. Why? In a more open part of the plateau, we could see the 3 pirates still running in the same direction. He said that the pirates are running in the same direction as they had started, right for Mizzenmast Hill. From where they started, Mizzenmast Hill. They had no way of escaping. He said that they can't escape from there. We sat down for rest. Now they all sat down for rest. Dr. Livesey sent Gray back for one of the pickaxes deserted by buccaneers in their flight. That he sent Gray to bring one of the tools. Then, as we proceeded leisurely downhill to where the boats were lying, he related in a few words what he said, what had happened to the treasure. It was a story that deeply interested Silver. Silver was very much interested in the treasure, and Ben Gunn was the hero of it. Ben, in his long, lonely wandering around the island, had found the treasure. Now, who has found the treasure? Ben. He had dug it and had carried it on his back. Ben alone were wandering on the island, and he dug the treasure and carried it on his back. In merry, weary journey from the foot of the tall pines to a cave. From the tall pines to the cave he moved, and he had on the 2-pointed hill at the northeast angle of the island. From the northeast angle of the island he moved there, and there it had lain stored in safely for 2 months. There was one lane where he stored the treasure safely for 2 months. We set out for Ben Gunn cave. Now what happened? All of them set out for Ben Gunn cave, where he has kept the treasure. We passed the 2-pointed hill and met the squire. Squire was waiting there. Squire means landowner, as I told you earlier. He was waiting for us at the mouth of the cave. Mouth is entrance. To me, he was most kind, means to Jim he was kind. But Silver, who had already changed side and joined our party, he said, John Silver, you are a rich person and a pirate. He told that you are not good. You are a picked person and a pirate. Your hands are full of blood. And the man you have killed. He told that you have killed many people. But then too they are going to share the treasure among all. Then what Silver said? Thank you kindly, sir, replied Long John meekly. Meekly is in a humble voice, and saluted the squire. Therefore, We all entered the cave, then all of them entered the cave. It was a large, airy place with a little spring and a pool of clear water overhung with ferns. Now the place was large, airy, and clear water was there, overhung with ferns with grass, long grass. The floor was sand, means the floor was full of sand. In a far corner, only duskily flickered over by the blaze. It is faintly lit. थोड़ी सी आग जल रही हो ना जहाँ, वैसे था कॉर्नर में. I held great heap of coins and bar of gold. He saw a heap of coins, मतलब coins का ढेर, and a bar of gold, pieces of gold. So finally they found the treasure. I hope you understand the story and like it. Read the story properly and go through it once again. Thank you.